Hi, I am Srilatha. I have done my BSc Optometry from Tamil Nadu. My sister recommended medical coding. So me and my sister researched and we found Cod Evo institution. So then I called to them and I got admission through them. The training they have given here is very good. They trained us how to do ICD codes, CPT codes, and preparation for the examination is very well. Which builds confidence in the students or who are appearing to the examination. On completion of every topic, they will be giving us assignment in that they will monitor us and they will test us how much we have done the topic. So it is very good so that we will know about ourselves that how much we have studied in that. So I like that part a lot in this.